Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset, and as you can see at the very top we've got the option Reset All Settings. Let's tap. And as you can see here we've got the information what will be reset. So we've got the network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data, and lock screen password. So everything including those, and data from the following apps will be deleted. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset All Settings. If you've got a pattern, PIN or password, so any kind of screen lock, just enter it to confirm the whole step. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all settings. It may need to be restarted, not always, but sometimes, and this action cannot be undone. So all you have to do is to simply tap on Reset Settings and wait. And as you can see, that was quite quick in my case, and my device did not want it to be restarted, so actually I've just finished restarting all settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset all settings in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.